After coming to this knowledge, and at this time it was not a lot, I was working on a criminal case, and from the lack of knowledge and experience in court procedures, I spent all of my time studying and researching, watching actual court cases, reading court files, pulling up case law, not just to read it for research purposes, but to understand proper formatting. Add legalese to it all, and that was a plateful. Well, in my research, I had come across a lot of noise. I didn't know it was noise at the time, but it sure got me to do a whole lot more of a broader research. Not all of the info was all wrong. Some was correct, but how they would go about procedure was nothing more than stupidity mixed with rebellion and tied with a bow of patriotism, and none of which I had seen at all in any court proceeding. But I couldn't help but think, in my newly awakened eyes, to ask myself how much of this awakening has something to do with this situation. It sure did open my eyes to a lot of information about our justice system. The one thing I absolutely am thankful for is that I read the Constitution for the first time. Sad, but it's true. And not only once, but I spent a great deal of time in it. Once I did, I realized that there was far more turning of a blind eye to what the Constitution said versus what I was seeing going on. Stay tuned for Chapter 7. Please like, follow, and share. Tell me what your experience has been with the justice system. Until then, Devlin.